بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to page 24 of our book. Inshallah, we are still continuing with تدريبات المخارج والصفات, exercise or practice on articulation points and characteristics of letters. Okay, so let's start the first one. We have a, sa, ro, asara, asara, al-sara, al-sara, al-sara. So we have sa and sa, 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 as-sa, and as-sa, sa. Okay. Baraqa, 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 baraka, 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 baraqa, baraka. حسد 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 حصد 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 سص جمع. This is mim. جمح 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 and جمع جمع. So we have جمح جمع جمح جمع. حطم 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 حتم حتم طاتا. Okay, one is heavy, one is light. غزل 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 غسل 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 سبك 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 سبق 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 سبك سبق. We have ka and qa. هدم 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 هضم 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 هدم هضم. So we have da and ba, da and ba. And please, you have to make practice on these two, because a lot of people, unfortunately, when they read Surah Al-Fatiha, they say غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين or ضالين, and it's ضاد ضاد الضا هدم هضم ضا ضا هضم. Okay, so please make practice on this one, inshallah. I hope it's going to be easy. Let's go to the second half. Then we have حتى 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 حطأ 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 حتأ حطأ. We have ta and ta. سقط 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 سكت 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 سقط سكت سقط سكت حصر 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 حسر 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 حسر. So we have saw and sa. Okay, and here we have two heavy letters, and here we have only one. Okay, so make sure حصر حسر. Okay, then we have شذب 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 جذب 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 فتن 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 فطن 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 فتن فطن. So we have ta and ta. رمأ 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 رمع 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 رمأ رمع رمأ رمأ رمع رمع. Okay. شرح 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 شرع شرع شرح شرع. ح and a, they come from the same articulation point, but the difference are the characteristic. Okay, ha and a. Sa la ha salaha صالح 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 سلح صالح سلح صالح. Okay, now some of these letters, they come from the same point, like حروف الإظهار, the همز فهاء ثم عين حاء مهملتان ثم غين خاء. Okay, those letters alif, ain, ghain, ha and kha and hamza, they come from the same point, but the difference is in the characteristics. Okay, so you see we have ha and a. Okay, we have a and a. Okay, so please notice the difference and make sure you understand them. Inshallah, see you in page 25. If you have any question, let us know. If you need us to maybe explain, or maybe if you have any inquiries, let us know. Inshallah, ma'asalama, see you in page 25.